Right. We need Lysol. Okay, we need sanitizer. Right.
Right.
We need new soaps in here. We need a lot of new soaps. Make sure we get new soaps.
Okay.
Yeah, man. But once we pick them up,
What the hell wrong with you?
you don't smell like shit out here, man. You don't smell it?
No.
And everybody ran up there. That's what I'm talking about.
Ho, nigga. What was that?
No, you funny, man. You a funny guy.
No.
You really funny, man. Tell that joke again.
All right, so two niggas walk in the post office. Why did you turn this on? Like, why?
I ain't never had nobody show me other things.
Hey, yo, hold up. You got the Rona, nigga?
I like this song, but it always get me choked up because it's a long,
I feel, it's a long
man.
song. Yeah. Because that's what I said, you know what I'm saying? I don't play that. Ho, brother. That cough sound kind of contagious, brother. What's going on with you?
No, this is PlanDTox. I'm trying to purify my body for the summer.
I heard about that.
I'm gonna put it on some ice. This is,
True. Okay.
It's designed to cleanse your body out. I can't eat no fried foods.
I'm gonna try that.
So that's this.
I just been to the grocery store, came back to the what's going on, man?
Bugs. There's gnats out here. You don't see them gnats?
Nah, ain't no damn gnats. Nah. I'm saying I still got it.
Crazy, I know, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, yo, are you serious?
Hey, man, what you coughing for, bro?
Kobe Bryant passed away, man. I hadn't even known.
Man, Kobe died in January, man.
I didn't know, though. I didn't know. It caught me off guard.
Whatever, man. You need to get a mask.
All right, bro. Catch you later, man.